A major reason for losses in trading is that traders don't know what mindset they should have while trading. A trader's mindset is as important as technical analysis or risk management. In this video, we will tell you how you can control emotions while trading, create a plan, and view the market with a clear mindset to become a successful trader. So, this video is very important for a trader. Watch this video till the end without skipping, and also like it. First, you need to understand that a normal trader can only become a profitable trader through their mindset. Because no matter how many candlestick charts, patterns, indicators, or strategies you learn, when you actually trade in the real market, only a good mindset can make you profitable. Without developing a good mindset, you won't be able to apply these things in the real market. For example, you must have noticed that when you only look at a chart, your mindset is one way. But as soon as you enter a trade, your mindset completely changes. For instance, look at this chart. The market is near its support area. But here, there are two types of traders. First, a pro trader, who, when a bullish candle closes above the support area, followed by another green candle, enters the trade without overthinking, following risk management rules, makes a profit, and exits the trade. On the other hand, a beginner trader does not enter near the support area for fear that the market might reverse, leading to a loss. But when the market makes a big move, they enter the trade, thinking the market will go higher, and in FOMO, they enter anywhere. However, the market reverses from there after completing its target, causing them to face a loss. They get frustrated, wondering why they always face losses. But the point to understand here was that a pro trader is never afraid of losses, because a pro trader always follows discipline. They spend more time improving their psychology and strengthening their mindset, which gives them a very different perspective on viewing and understanding any chart compared to a beginner trader. Therefore, to become a pro trader from a beginner trader, you need to keep some important things in mind. Only then can you become a pro trader. Rule number 1. Always follow risk management. Following risk management rules in trading is very important. Earning money in trading is everyone's dream, but it also brings the risk of loss. If you trade without a plan, it can become like gambling. Risk management is a strategy where you keep your money safe and trade in the long term. For example, look at this chart. Considering this an important resistance level, two types of traders enter this trade. Trader A, who is a pro trader, and Trader B, who is a beginner trader. Both enter a put trade. But Trader A, following risk management rules, sets a stop loss and a first target of 1 to 2. This means for a profit of 2,000 in this trade, they take a risk of 1,000. But Trader B enters this trade without following any risk management rules. However, the market moves upside from here and Trader A's stop loss is hit, causing them to exit the trade. Trader B is still in the market, hoping the market might come down again. But the market goes further up instead of down, increasing their loss significantly. Giving up, they exit the trade. But because of following risk management rules, Trader A only loses 1,000. Trader B, on the other hand, loses 3,000. After some time, the market comes near the support area again, and Trader A enters a new trade following risk management rules. Trader B, however, due to a large loss, is afraid and cannot enter this trade, fearing another loss. But the market goes upside and hits Trader A's target, causing them to turn their 1,000 loss into a 1,000 profit. Trader B still closes the day with a 3,000 loss. This way, daily losses keep increasing, and one day, all capital is gone. So now you understand that following risk management rules is very important to become a profitable trader. So, while following risk management rules, you should always remember these 4 things. First, entry point. Second, exit point. Third, stop loss. And fourth, target. Rule number 2. Control your emotions. In trading, you need to control these 4 emotions to become a pro trader from a beginner trader. First, fear. For example, Even if a trade comes to your setup on this chart, you don't enter the trade for fear that your stop loss might be hit, and later this trade hits the target, and you just watch. Second, greed. When you enter a trade and your target is hit, and in an attempt to make more profit, you don't exit the trade. But after a while, the market reverses and hits your stop loss. So, in trading, you must always remember where to exit the trade. This should always be decided beforehand. Or you can also use a trailing stop loss. Third, anger. When you enter a trade and a stop loss is hit, you immediately enter another trade anywhere without any setup and start fighting the market. But your stop loss is hit again, and your loss keeps increasing. This way, you close the day with a big loss. A pro trader never lets their mindset dominate in trading. Even if there is a loss in a trade, one should wait until the trade comes back to your setup. Fourth, overconfidence. Just as one should control fear, greed, and anger while trading, one should also reduce overconfidence. Due to overconfidence, if you make a profit in one trade, you might enter anywhere in the next trade and lose again. So, never let overconfidence dominate you. Rule number 3. Do not follow shortcuts. Many beginner traders see trading as gambling and think they can make a lot of money from trading in a few days. But in reality, nothing like that happens. It only happens in reels. If you are a beginner trader and want to become a pro trader, you should start your trading journey with small steps. For example, if you are a new trader, you should start trading with less capital. And only when you learn trading should you use larger capital. Let's understand this with an example. Suppose there are two beginner traders here who don't have much knowledge of trading. Trader A and Trader B both have 1 lakh rupees. But Trader A initially keeps only 10% in their trading account, which is only 10,000 rupees. Trader B, on the other hand, keeps their entire capital in the trading account, which is the full 1 lakh rupees. Both start their trading journey. Trader A currently trades with only 1 or 2 lots, while Trader B trades with a lot size of 15 or 20. But during the learning phase of trading, within about a year, both their capitals become 0. But both have equal knowledge. However, Trader B has no money left in either the trading account or the bank, which causes them to exit the trading journey. Trader A still has 90,000 rupees left in the bank, which allows them to continue their trading journey. And always remember one thing: it takes time to learn trading completely. No one can become a profitable trader in 6 months or a year. But as you learn trading, your mindset will improve, and gradually your losses will decrease and profits will increase. Reduced loss does not mean that losses will stop altogether, because no matter how big a trader is, they will incur losses. But a small loss is insignificant compared to a large profit. Rule number 4. Avoid repeating mistakes. This is the Nifty 30 September 5-minute timeframe chart. The market opens in this area and goes downside, forming a big red candle. But seeing some green candles in this area, these traders enter the trade. However, since the market is bearish, all their stop losses are hit and the market continues its downtrend. But in this area, some green candles form again. Yet many traders, despite knowing the rule that if the market is in a downtrend we should not buy, repeatedly look for buying opportunities anywhere on the chart and repeatedly get their stop losses hit. This way, your mindset gets completely ruined. But a pro trader never repeats their mistakes. They learn from their mistakes, which continuously improves their mindset. If you learn from your mistakes and don't repeat them, only then can you become a pro trader.